Before watch our video, please subscribe.
A bike lock is a tiny item, but it's also insurance for your beloved bike. It's estimated that over 1.5 million bicycles are stolen every year. Over 40% of stolen bikes were locked when being stolen. No matter how strong your lock is, it's still not nearly safe enough. What you need is a proactive bike guard. ZiiLock. ZiiLock is the first foldable bike lock with fingerprint unlock as well as a smartphone keyless entry for your bike. You are the key to the next street. ZiiLock is made of 6.5mm temper-hardened steel bars, 7mm diameter rivets, and anti-drilling components, providing the security of an U-lock with the flexibility of a chain. The 98cm unfolding length enables a wider protective range. Even cargo e-bike or fat-tired bike can be locked easily. The compact design makes ZiiLock easily folded and carried in the portable lock case or your bag. The rubber surface coating also protects your bike's paint job. It uses an always-on Bluetooth connection with your phone, so your bike can be locked and unlocked with only the tap of the button. ZiiLock is equipped with a sensitive motion sensor. It can detect any unauthorized actions and alert you right away. You can always keep an eye on your bike just like you are next to it, even if you are 100 meters away.
Hey man! ZiiLock!
You can share a temporary code with someone, allowing your friend or family to use your bike or locked by their smartphone. ZiiLock is embedded with an efficient lithium battery and low power consumption components, supporting long-lasting protection up to 3 months. When the battery runs out, you can still unlock it with a spare key. Now, after months of development, ZiiLock is finally launched, and we need your support to make it happen. Thank you! You are the key to ZiiLock.
UVC light, powerful UV light.
UV lamps is part of the cleaning process.
Who would have thought that the beginning of the new decade will be a global shutdown, and the culprit is something that is unseen?
We're gonna try
Not
to
until
find
you use a
anything
black
that we
light.
can under the black light.
Oh my goodness! Oh, so she's checking her entire bed. Oh.
Good thing there is a ROCKUBOT Smart Mini UVC Sterilizer, your easy-to-carry savior against germs and viruses. Say goodbye to huge, spacious UVC light, as its small size feature makes it a must-have in your luggage. Don't worry about the harm of its 2 UVC bulbs, since the sensor automatically turns off when human or animal is within the 2 meters detected zone. With its built-in battery, you can now sanitize everything, anytime, anywhere, even the mask that you're wearing. Its magnetic design enables you to trace the germs even in your own place. Choose from freeze sterilizing time, and it will automatically turn on after 10 seconds. Just enough time for people to leave the ROCKUBOT Mini while ready to do its job. You can also just hold it to disinfect the knobs, toilet seat, or whatever you want to touch, including those fancy utensils. Charge it wherever and enjoy a germ-free space with your easy-to-carry savior against germs and viruses. This is ROCKUBOT Mini, your smart mini UVC sterilizer.
Hey Indiegogo, we want to introduce you to the G-Mat, the best mate for your indoor and outdoor kitchens. G-Mat grill meshes and mats provide you more than regular frying pans. They warm up faster, condensate, and keep the temperature for a longer time, making the cooking process way easier. Our grill mats are made from the same material used in non-stick pans, which are approved by the FDA. So cook everything on GMAT with more confidence. Being non-toxic, GMAT also requires lesser attention for cleaning purposes compared to your regular frying pans. Just put it in the dishwasher or clean it up with the faucet.
I need to buy a diving computer, and I want to buy an underwater camera. But buying both of them is too expensive. Is there any way to solve this problem with one product? When your smartphone meets DIVEROID, it's possible. Introducing DIVEROID, which will make your diving experience safe and fun. Do you have to buy a new housing every time you purchase a new smartphone? With Universal Pro Housing, you can insert and use any kind of smartphone regardless of the size and brand, such as Apple, Huawei, Oppo, Xiaomi, LG, and Samsung. It even has a heatsink system that prevents fogging and a double O-ring structure with a 60-meter waterproof functionality. Meet the best multifunctional underwater housing equipped with compatibility and durability at a reasonable price. The Mini is a small diving computer and it is very simple to use. Download the DIVEROID app, connect with your smartphone, and you're ready. DIVEROID works underwater as both a diving computer and a camera. Check diving computer information such as NDL, depth, and time while taking pictures. The most important thing while diving is safety. 6 different alarms, including slowdown and safety stop functions, are responsible for your underwater safety. Enjoy taking professional underwater videos with various angles. DIVEROID provides 4 camera modes: ultra-wide angle, wide angle, zoom, and selfie. 4K video mode enables you to take vivid videos of the beautiful underwater ocean. Still not satisfied with your pictures even after using the red filter? The real-time software-based red filter feature will optimize the color in any environment. That was a great dive! Let's take a look at the pictures we took today. A photo-synced logbook with depth information is automatically created. Check your diving records at a glance. Why don't we make a logbook link and send our diving records to family and friends? Add depth, graphs, and diving data to your best shots and share them on Instagram using the Diving Story sharing feature. Experience a new diving world with DIVEROID. All-in-one dive gear, DIVEROID.